Hi everybody. I'm another scuba diver now. Let's get some of my stuff now. I just need to. Oh man. Let's get so tired. I love scuba diving, I love to see all the animal stuff. Oh man, the time for me to go scuba diving. It'll be so much fun. Hear that about the full moon movie, man, right? That'll be so much fun. I had to like my hair too. Oh, I know, scuba diving in November. It sounded funny, right? Scuba diving is supposed to be the summer, not November. I know that. I know. I want to go scuba diving in November. Get right now. Oh my god, yeah, man. I ain't ready now. Let's go. See scuba diving now. Well, it's time for me to go scuba diving now. Man, look at the water, man. That's a way to go scuba diving. It's time for me to go in the water right now. Doing that thing, yeah, man. Man, look at the beautiful water in the ocean. I want to see some animals in the ocean. I hope I see the shark. It'd be so fun if I see one. Man, look at the water too, man. Whoa. Yeah, whoa, man. Just like water, so, man. Whoa. Man, look at the whole thing right here. Yeah, I know that. Two people be on the wall. Look at all the water. They let it junior, It's at 10. So much fun, right? So much fun. Man, I love ocean. Ocean's so much fun in the water. Anybody know that? So much fun. Right, everybody? So fun. Looking to do snowboarding. Oh, I mean surfing, not snowboarding. Snowboarding in the winter. Oh, man, dude. Gee, look what you doing. Here's what I am doing now. Look at me, looking for an animal in the water. Doing nothing. Whoa, the whole ocean in the money. Man, gonna be so much fun in the water. Looking for an animal. I don't see nothing in there. Oh my god, whoa. Look at the whole fitness stuff, whoa. Looks so much fun, right? It just do look so much fun. Yeah, whatever, man. It'll be so much fun, right? So much fun, whoa. Oh yeah, the water so much fun, so fun. And then the stingray and the jellyfish. Look like the octopus. Yeah, near one. Oh. Man, so much fun, right? I see the hammerhead shark. Whoa, my god. Whoa, look at the thing. Oh my god, whoa. You're so big over here. My god, whoa. Look so not big, right? Whoa. No way, look at the big thing here. Oh my god, be careful, you die. Be careful right there. Man, whoa. Too many animals in there, I know that, right? Too many. Stupid that'll be so much fun in the whole town, the whole year. I die. You die, you wanna go scuba diving someday? I already did. Some people are terrified of scuba diving, Some people are shit, so terrified. So scared, too, right? I'm not scared. I like scuba diving. Don't need to. I like scuba diving my body, I just do. Woohoo. It would be so much fun, right? I just need to go on my boat for the sun. Now I'm back in the water. Look for more animal in the ocean. Yeah. It's just so much fun each time. Man. It's just so much fun. Scuba diving. Scuba diving in the water. Yeah. You down with those scuba diving someday? Man, look in the thing. Whoa. Man, I love scuba diving. Look at the whole thing, the whole sea, everybody. Man. I love scuba diving, you know. I just do. Whoa. Look, it's so much fun, you know, right? Check, look, so funny now. It just do. Man, look, all the little fitty in the water, whoa. You better be careful or something to eat you. There's something else too, little stingray. You better be careful, you know. Whoa, look at that thing there. Whoa. Oh yeah, man. Look at the whole thing here. Whoa. So spooky. Man, whoa. Man, I love scuba diving. Oh yeah. Me and my friends do scuba diving now. Right now. Hey man, let's go in the water now. Let's go. Let's look for some more animals and stuff in the water, man. Let's do it. Right now. Come on. Whoa. Come on, the other hammerhead. That'll be 10 of me. I don't want to see no hammerhead shot, you know. I just don't. I haven't seen no dead white shot. Man, look at the whole 50. Whoa. Whoa, look at anything, you know. Whoa. Anything looks so much fun, you know. Right? Anything just looks so fun. Whoa. Oh my god, whoa. Oh my god, look at the whole thing here, you know. Right? Look at anything. Whoa. So awesome here, right? I know that. Look at a tiny fish. Man. Scuba diving so much fun, you know, right? So much fun. Oh my god, look at you. Whoa. Yeah, man, doing right now. Look for more animal. Oh my god, look all the animal over here. My god. Whoa. I hope I see the turtle in the shot. I want to see one so bad. No way. I should see the turtle right now. No way. I didn't take the photo of that. So much fun. I had to paint on my wall. Man, turtle. Turtle my favorite animal. What you that favorite animal? Bye, turtle. Let's see you. Oh my god. 2 more turtle. Whoa. 2 more. I hope I see the dead white shark too. Yeah, that'd be so much fun. Come on, another hammerhead shark. Oh my god, I getting real mad. I just don't want to see the animal. I mean the hammerhead shark. I just don't want to. Oh my god, I getting so mad, you know. Look at all the fishes. No way, the dead white shark. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. I'll take the photo of that too. I already took the photo of the other two. Yep. Another date right shark. Right, everybody? So spooky. More 50. Come on. Oh my god, look at that other shot too. Whoa. So spooky now, right? I'm not terrified nothing. I just no. So spooky, right, everybody? Everybody knows that. So terrifying. Right? Oh my god. Too soft, just fighting now. My god. I see that. Look at all the animal in the water. Fitzy in the soft. My god. Stop fighting. Whoa. Hit the like button for more movie, you die. Hit the like button for more movie.
Si je nageais avec un dauphin.
I just wanna be